Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Nissan Qashqai. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over to the system, and we click Setup. Onto Setup, onto Telephone and Bluetooth, pair new device. Please start pairing with Nissan Connect from your Bluetooth device. If the device requests a PIN, please enter 1234. Right, well, we'll see this because Nissan Connect's showing up there. We press Nissan Connect, and now it's generated a random PIN. So you don't have to put anything in if you do it this way. So all you have to do is check that the pins match, and they do. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow connected over there, and let's find it here, Nissan Connect connected. So that's real easy.